Okay, hey, this is Mark coming to you from Baker's Green Acres. And let's see, today is Thursday, and I'm doing something right now that I think is kind of relevant to a lot of our homesteading friends. And so I'm going to title this, and I found out that I haven't been titling my videos, so they're not searchable, all right? So I'm going to title this one, and this should be the last video I make without my thing that I got that's going to stabilize the video so it won't shake around. But this is going to be titled Homestead Mangalitsa Farrowing Tips. Homestead Mangalitsa Farrowing Tips. And I'm just showing how I do it. There's a lot of ways that you can farrow Mangalitsa pigs. Farrowing refers to when they are having young pigs, when they're having babies, right? So in this pen I have 4 Mangalitsa sows and 1 boar. So this is like a little sounder, I guess we'll call it a sounder. And there's also 2 young ones in here. There you go, you can see one of them right there, that are castrated males, so they would be barrows. And this friendly boy right there, he's the dude, he's the stud man. All right, so all 4 of these sows are pregnant. Let me turn this around, you don't need to see me. Okay, all 4 of these sows are pregnant, and this is their area. I'll show you their area so you can see it. It's a ½ acre, right? And this used to just be a hay field. And then we grew turnips in here for a while, and we turned the pigs on them. Low power mode, perfect. Okay. So, as you can tell by this pig right here, if you look at her, she's getting ready to go. She's probably a week or 2 out. And what we have for housing in here is the big house over there, and that's where all of them stay. And then I have these porta huts that I've put in. Okay, there's 2 of them. And I don't put any bedding in it, but I did drop this bale just now, and you can see it's got some netting on it that holds it together. And this is straw, and you can see what she's doing right away. See what she's doing? She's gathering up mouthfuls of it, and she knows instinctively to go and build a nest with it. So it's questionable what will happen here. One of 3 things actually. Either she'll go in this hut, bring a bunch of straw in with her and have her babies in there. She'll make a nest right out here in this bale, or she'll have her babies in there with everybody. It'll be a big commune party. And then what happens is the other sows wind up going and finding someplace else to sleep. But not him. He'll sleep in there. He doesn't care what's going on. That's his pad. All right, he never sleeps outside. Okay, so all I've had to do is just make things available to these sows, and they kind of know what to do. See, she's taking some in there right now. Instinctively, they know what to do. So I don't have to do a lot. Here we are, February, whatever, 13th, 14th, 15th, somewhere in there. It's not terribly cold, but we do have a lot of snow. But it seems like we farrow in February a lot. And that's okay, because let's say that we farrow towards the end of the month. The babies will be on their moms in March and April. And then May and June is when the spring flush begins, and we have a lot of vegetation that grows. And so they can take advantage of a lot of those nutrients. So we'll have some nice, big, strong, healthy babies coming out. All right. So this is how you do it on a small scale. On a big scale, we'd have a lot more of these huts out here, and I'd have a lot more bales out. I dropped 1 here and 1 over there. The one over there is so they can think about taking straw into the big house there. And this is barley straw is what it is. So they'll make very good use of it. They will eat quite a bit of it, and then they'll lay in a lot of it, and a lot of it will just wind up on the ground. But that's not bad, because at some point we like to be adding organic material to this field, even if we add it in the wintertime. And it kind of gives them something to do. A bale like this, if you buy them in big round bales like this, like I do, is about $25, and then plus delivery. So I don't mind putting out a couple bales for them. Maybe this group is going to get all winter long, they'll get maybe 4. And it goes, it's totally gets used. It's not like it goes to waste. Okay. All right. Okay, I wanted to fill you in on that. We had our call last night, our YouTube call-in chat session, and it was really good. It was quite dynamic. It was the best one that we've had. We've had more people, and I really enjoyed it. We have some ideas to make some additions to our staff. We're going to bring my wife on to bring the holistic health approach to animals and humans in there. And the next time we will be meeting will be Saturday at 10 o'clock on Facebook Live. So mark your calendars, Saturday, 10 o'clock, Facebook Live. We'll see you there. And remember, anyone can farm.